Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, here to show you our latest spotlight on our most recent landscape job. So this landscape is a fun one for me because we sort of started this one 20 years ago. My daughter was an Indian princess with Mr. and Mrs. H's daughter, and so we have spent 20 years off and on chatting about their landscape and what might be done over the years. As you can see, there's a lot of shade in this lawn or landscape because of the large trees that they have. So we needed to find some shade tolerant plants to be able to make this look nicer. In the front here, these yellowish plants, those are called variegated sedge. And then behind them, the kind of fern looking plants you can see, those fern looking plants are called plum yews or a spreading yew. And then you can see that we used river rock up underneath the tree in this parkway where the grass was just never going to grow. Across the sidewalk we used Harbordorf Nandina. That's a very short Nandina that's going to get a foot and a half, maybe 2 feet tall. And then over to its right, on either side of the sidewalk, that's a giant liriope. This sidewalk here, that was replaced. Originally, it came straight out from the house, and to make this a little bit more interesting, it was replaced with a patterned concrete sidewalk that has a nice big curve to it to give a little bit more character to the entrance. Over on the right hand side, on the far right, way in the back there, you can see that we have the cream colored plant. That is a variegated pittosporum. That's going to frame the house, and those are going to get somewhere around 6 feet tall, somewhere of that range. And then as we go on across, we have some Carissa holly up against the foundation, and then underneath the windows, those grassy plants, those are called giant liriope. Those are going to get about a foot or so tall. We used a little bit of color along the front. Those are pansies because it's wintertime. And then to frame the entrance, those feathery plants in the back, those are called Gulfstream Nandinas. And then we repeated that going on across the left-hand side. And then in front, we use more of the plum yew, and then the variegated pit on the back side of it as well. So that is our latest spotlight. We finished this is January, and you can see that this has turned into a shaded area that was pretty muddy to a really nice looking place. This is Ken with Village Green.